Good morning, guys. Good morning. What a fantastic day. What a great day in crypto. What a great night last night. Fantastic. Have a look at JASMY on your screen, guys. Look at those bubbles up 12.6%. Beautiful, beautiful start to a beautiful era that we are entering, guys. 1 cent 941. $958 million market cap. Look at the volume flowing in, guys. $122.67 million in volume, up from about 40 in the last couple days. Amazing. You love to see it, guys. You absolutely love to see it. And that would be because Bitcoin broke into a new all-time high live on stream last night when we were streaming, guys. Right now, holding above $74,435. We're going to see how this daily candle closes. This is going to be a fantastic daily candle close, guys. Fantastic. And it's only going to continue to get better as the week progresses. We're looking at closing some juicy candles, guys. Up 6.5% at the time of recording. Market's looking good. Market is looking good. Look at that. Uniswap up 30.5%, guys. This is what you want to see. Velodrome up 20%. TET up 17. Tectum. Guys, Crows up 16, almost 18%. Wagami Games 14. Sui 12. Guys, you love it. Solana's up 11%. You absolutely love to see it, guys. I'm feeling great. I hope you're feeling great. Very, very bullish stuff. Let's go have a look at the JASMY chart, as we always do before we get into the news. So look at that candle, guys. We've smashed above. Now this was vital. This was very, very important, okay? That we get above and close above the 30-day SMA. And you're asking me why that is. Well, if you look back here, as you can see, major level of resistance right here, we rejected pretty violently off of it. Same thing here, we rejected pretty violently off of it. Touched it 3 times here, another violent break to the downside. Twice here, again, very violent break to the downside. Touched off it 3 times here, and again, another violent break to the downside, right? So we have rejected off of there 5 times extremely violently, to be honest with you. But this time we smashed through because Bitcoin smashed through new all-time high, and we broke above resistance right here at 1 cent 9.5, and we're wicked right below it right now, 1 cent 9.44, which is fine. What's important is the first step, and that is to close this daily candle this evening above the 30-day SMA. We want to close above there and continue on up towards the 100-day SMA, which is right above us. We almost wicked to it last night. We got up as high last night as we just barely broke 2 cents. So if we can get a good daily close today, we will look for further continuation to the upside here. Very, very positive. RSI is in neutral right now at 55.25. Very nice. All things point to a bullish continuation to the upside, guys. I'm so excited right now. You have no idea how great things are about to get. Like, absolutely phenomenal. Let's go over to the Bitcoin chart here before we get into the news. So as you can see, Bitcoin, we had resistance right here. We smashed right through it, right, last night. Smashed through the old all-time high and set in a new all-time high right here at about $75,400. It's the newest. I thought I put a bar there, but I guess it's gone. Let's put a new target in there. There we go, guys. That is our new all-time high that we set last night. Very, very nice. Now, if we can close this daily candle on Bitcoin above the old all-time high right here, right, that's going to be very, very bullish. So far, so good. We need to close above about $73,800 is where we want to close above. And we're well above that right now. So we're going to monitor it. We're going to be here for the live stream this evening, or for the daily close this evening. We'll see what happens. But I'm excited. I am excited. So let's get into a bit of the news here, guys, that I'm talking about. This is fantastic, guys. Very bullish. Web3labs.club say, congratulations, Junction, on successfully joining the Web3 Labs and KuCoin Labs Global Acceleration Program. Next, Web3 Labs and KuCoin Labs will fully dedicate themselves to matching Junction with marketing, business, and capital and exchange resources, initiating comprehensive acceleration and empowerment. So they are backing Junction as a program, or as a project in, like they say, marketing, business, capital, and exchange resources to continue to help Junction and JASMY grow. This is massive news. Great collaboration, great partnership for Junction. And it's funny because Max and I were just talking on a live stream about how when things get quiet over at JASMY, we start to see these massive announcements start to come out. And here we are a couple of days later with a huge collaboration. Junction is a Japan-oriented protocol focused on the AI market, based on the concept of GPU as a mining machine. Junction provides cheap and stable resources to AI market by reactivating idle GPUs owned by consumers through two consensus mechanisms: proof of resource and proof of task. Now, this is important, guys, because whenever you see people who don't do research, channels who don't do research on JASMY, they briefly glaze over JASMY as a project that provides data democratization, and that's it. They don't explain what that means. They don't explain. They just imply that that's all that JASMY and Junction do. So here's another level of what JASMY and Junction's utility and use case actually is in the real world, okay? They're providing cheap and stable resources to the AI market. Now, the AI market, guys, is a growing market, just emerging. So many companies and businesses are working with and developing AI for their technologies, for their products, right? And Junction and JASMY are providing those stable and affordable resources to these companies by reactivating idle GPUs, okay? So in a world where GPUs, resources, GPU power is becoming more and more difficult to obtain, right? Because companies like NVIDIA cannot keep up with development versus the demand for GPU resources. So Junction is stepping in and building the world's largest GPU cloud to help these companies that are developing AI products to utilize their GPU resources in a cheap and stable way, okay? That is far more than just data democracy, okay? They're doing a lot of things over at JASMY, and if you're new to the project and you don't quite understand what it is or what they do a lot of things in a lot of different industries, okay? They're not just data democratization, which is important and fantastic, and we talk about that on this channel on a regular basis. But there are other things that are just as important, if not more important. Like I said, in a world where GPU power is in demand, they are creating the world's largest GPU cloud to provide resources to these companies, okay? This is huge, okay? I can't stress that enough. The Web3 Labs and KuCoin Labs Global Acceleration Program aims to deeply explore and empower high-quality projects like Junction in the Web3 field. The selected projects will receive resources such as market, business, and investor and exchange resources provided by both parties. So definitely getting a lot of help from Web3 Labs and KuCoin Labs here on a lot of different levels: resources, finances, a lot marketing. Marketing is going to be huge, guys. People always complain, well, the JASMY Junction need better marketing. Well, guess what? It just got its marketing plan, baby. Potential investment incentives from KuCoin Ventures. So they're also incentivizing investment opportunities for people to invest into Junction. We look forward to more high quality developers, yada, 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 joining us. So Junction qualified, made it in, guys. A fantastic partnership, brand new collaboration. This is going to help boost things like JASMY and Junction's marketing on a large scale, guys. But I want to know, as always, what you guys think. Does this make you bullish? We have another massive announcement here. So what do you think about it? Hit the like and subscribe, guys. Listen, if you want to sit down with me, if you want to book a one-on-one, you want to chat, you need help with your portfolio, you need help developing an exit strategy for the bull run for the altcoin season, you need help being able to identify where liquidity spots are so that you can take your profits effectively. Because if you think it's just as simple as just setting a sell order at $1 for JASMY and walking away, my friend, you're going to walk away with no money in this bull run. You need to be educated. You need to learn how to do this properly. So let's sit down, book yourself a one-on-one with me over on the Patreon. The link is down below. We can also help you with self-custody, with tax information, with everything that you need to know. DeFi staking, compounding gains, rolling profits from one project into another to maybe help 2-3x those gains. We also do group Zoom calls as well, where we all chat about all things crypto, guys. Again, we do a lot of swing trades, guys. We've been making a lot of money on swing trades over the last couple of weeks as well. So we hit up the swing trades on the Zoom calls. We hit up, all the questions that you may have when it comes to your self-custody, your taxes, your profit taking, when is the peak of this bull run gonna be? Well, we discuss these things over there, right? All that and much more, guys. So get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Book your one-on-one with me. Join our group Zoom calls, and let's get you into the conversation, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you later.